Now, a lot of people are unsure of how to properly clean a countertop. It's not difficult, but it has to be done a certain way, or at a minimum, a certain way to really, truly be able to pick up the debris and the dirt and stuff like that, and not just smear it around. First of all, you gotta have a good cleaner, one that does not leave streaks, like the Oxy. But you should be able to do this with any type of neutral cleaner that does not have waxes or any additives or polishes or anything like that in there, soaps, stuff like that. So you will spray the cleaner, have a rag folded up into 4 layers, preferably, and you clean. If you can get down and look and see if it's streaking. And as it starts to dry up and streak, you flip the towel over, making sure that the other side is relatively dry, and you just buff it dry. You don't have to work the product into the surface, you're just drying it. If you just take a washcloth and wipe everything down with water or soap, and you don't buff the surface dry, then you're just smearing stuff around and letting it dry. And if you have a hard time cleaning, and that's something that you're struggling with, and you keep doing that over and over, then at some point you're gonna have so much film and residue on the surface that it won't be able to be cleaned. It'll have to be like polished off with a machine with 1 or 2 abrasive steps. So and this is not how you're going to clean the countertop every single day. Sometimes you can just wipe it down, no big deal. But if you want to really give it a good clean before you have a party on the weekend, something like that, you want to really make sure that you do it the right way.